A group of their owns.
His grandson's still coming.
Okay. Does he have a car over there?
No, we're not driving.
No.
How's he gonna get back?
He's gonna walk.
He's gonna walk.
Were
us.
you guys on Wave Runners last night?
Yes.
Going to Dick's?
Yes.
We didn't go on the. We went the.
At night?
Oh
Yes. About 2 o'clock.
love you. No.
Yeah, I love you too.
Angela, you got a new friend,
I
honey.
Okay. They might not have been, but I was.
Somebody was on a Wave Runner at night. That's why I'm asking. Going back and forth from Dick's.
It was.
Might have been Brian. He's got the waitress in there. I don't think that's our page.
Yeah.
It's got to be all trying to make sure these two assholes get.
Well, you know
You got a
what?
lot of patience. Good for you.
You sure do. Which one are you going to beat their ass when they're sober?
Him.
No, which one is he going to beat up first is what I want to know.
Him.
Tie-dye boy, hold on, we're not there yet. Sit. I got him. All right, tram stops here, boys.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes.
You're welcome. Oh my God.
Ryan. Ryan.
Get off the truck.
Get off the truck. Get off the truck. He's puking everywhere. Oh shit.
We both know it was Ryan.
Oh, he just sat in it.
I put his hand in it.
Oh my God.
Oh man. Thank you.
Thank God he did not puke.
Get some water in this kid. Oh. Come on.
I got all of it on video.
Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Thank God he did not throw up on me.
That's why he was leaning over.
Oh my God, there's
Big fucking chunk.